warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 2 and now we will present our interview results from the teacher in elementary school. We choose the place in SDN Kebun Baru 4 and the teacher we are interviewed is Pak Herman Siregar. And now we will present our presentations by under the title Unveiling Insights Teaching English Literature. So, next, our team is our team is four member. There are me and Nevika Jasmine and Rafli Maulana and Firda Fadila and also Dina Amalia. So next, we're going to talk about the results. Next slide. The first results is about interview insight, general approach, and curriculum context. As Pak Herman Sierger said, general approach divided into three parts. The first one is student-centered learning. The second one is holistic development, and the last is curriculum integrations. The teacher includes literature in fun ways, like reading simple stories and singing English songs, even though literature isn't a big part of the curriculum. It really helps students learn new words and understand stories. Literature is not taught as a separate subject but mixed with reading, listening, and speaking activities. This makes learning more fun and helps students stay active in class. So next will be present the results by Firda Fadila. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Jasmine. Okay, as we can see, next slide is about interview inside syllabus and lesson planning. In lesson plans, the teacher often add short stories into reading or speaking practice. The stories are chosen because they are short, use easy vocabulary, and are interesting for children. The teacher sometimes uses stories from the textbooks but also finds other stories online or creates them. Assessment is simple. Students answer questions or retell the story in their own words. This helps match the lesson with the students' learning goals. And next, we have interview inside literary material and sources. The teacher used short stories, poems, songs, and fairy tales. Some stories are modern and some are classic tales retold simply. The materials come from books, YouTube, or are made by the teacher. And sometimes local folk tales are translated into English to help students understanding better. The teacher always checks if the story is right for the student's age and culture before using in class. Maybe that's all from me. And the next slide we will deliver by Rafli Maulana Ramadan. So Rafli, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Firda. uh, in this occasion, me want to presenting about teaching methods. As uh, Herman Siregar said there are four types. The first one is interactive discussion, and second, creative writing activities, and third, role playing and drama, and fourth, contextualization. Teaching methods: the teacher used creative ways to teach literature, like storytelling with picture or puppets, role plays, and letting students make their own story endings. These activities help students imagine the story better and enjoy learning. The teacher sometimes gives short background about the story so students can understand it more clearly. Next slide, please. Okay, next about teaching media. As Herman Siregar said, there are three teaching media. First is visual aids, second audio-visual material, and third interactive software. For visual aid, then this is traditional visual aids like whiteboard, poster, and chart are regularly used to illustrate concept and vocabulary. And second, audiovisual material is like educational videos, film adaptation of literary works, and audio recording of poem or narrative are integrated to enhance engagement. And the last, interactive software like specialized educational software and online interactive platform are sometimes used for quizzes, vocabulary building, and literary analysis. Teacher media, the teacher use many type of media like picture, YouTube video, song, printed storybook, and apps like Kahoot. This tool make literature lesson more fun and easier for students to follow, especially because every student learn in different ways. Okay, maybe for me, next presenter will be delivered by Dina Amalia.
Okay, for the next is challenge in teaching literature. For the course, Mr. Herman Siregar said there is 3 points of the challenge in the teaching literature. The first is student engagement, second is limit research and firing the proficiency level. For the student engagement is one of significant challenge is maintaining student interest, especially with classical or more conflict in the literary work that may seem daunting at first. For the second is limited course access to diverse and update to literary material, particularly for digital course. Some can sometimes be contained in the certain school. Third is fairly proficiency level. Teaching in the class with student different English proficiency level requires different introduction of the thyroid support. For in here is a big challenge in when students don't understand some word is the story, especially in the longer text. The teachers help them by the using picture or acting out the meaning. It's also challenging when students in the same class have different English level. So the teacher need to adjust the lesson for the everyone. Next, please. Next is about the opportunities of growth. Here there is 3 types. The first is technology integration. The third is uh, the the second is teachers training. The third is community engagement. The teachers believe that using more digital tools and getting more training with will help make the literature resource to better working with the other teachers like the Indonesian language teachers also bring new idea, more support and creative research would help the teachers teach literature a more fun and a meaningful way. Thank you. I think enough.
Okay, maybe that's all for us for interview results in elementary schools. So, for the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys for our attention.